I have a bike. A motorbike. I love to call it a V8, there you go. But haters love to call it a border. And by haters, I mean my friends, my relatives, and the rest of South Sudan. And if you know me in real life, you know how much I love my V8 from the top of my heart. Let me tell you a story. One day, I was coming from the stadium. I had gone there to watch some games. Right? Now I was heading back home. On the way, I was stopped by some beautiful ladies standing by the roadside around landmark. Now, normally, I don't stop for such random people because I know what I have is a V8, not a border. But like I said, this girl was beautiful, okay? And I don't know about you, but I'm no longer giving my soulmate any chance or risk not to meet me, okay? Yeah. So I pulled over, and as soon as I stopped, she hooked on. Yeah? And she went straight to the point, take me to ground. And from her tone and attitude, it was clear that she did not want any interaction. Yeah. I almost regretted my decision, guys, but I was already invested in this mission. So I was like, fuck it, what could possibly go wrong? I was heading that way anyway. Okay, I was not, but let's just yeah, so we started off. You already know that. Yeah, I was overtaking all the cars as if I wanted to brake against the brake. At some point, she was like, slow down. In my head, I was like, save that for the guy who needs that car. You might need it. And I continued accelerating. Finally, we reached ground. And she was still showing me attitude, guys. Yeah, she got off the bike and again she went straight to the point. She was like, how much? And I was like, well, it would be free. If you give me your name and number. And she was like, sorry, I don't give my name and number to border guys. Ouch, right? And I was like, in that case, it's 5K. She was like, what? From landmark to ground 5K? Make it 3-5. And I was like, sorry, I don't give discounts to rude customers. So guys, she opened her fake Gucci handbag. Yeah, it was fake, guys. When was the last time you saw Gucci spelled as G-U-C-C-C-I? If you saw that, you must have been shopping in custom. Right? Yeah. And guess what, guys? She did not even have that 3-5 she bargained for. This girl had just 2-5. Then now, she was trying to talk nice to me. I was like, nah. Bitch, better have my money. Pay me what you owe me. Don't act like you forgot. So now she had no choice but to call the guy she came to see at Crown. And guess what, guys? Turns out the guy was not even at Crown. Nigga was somewhere in Hong Kong. Turns out he was using Crown as landmark. Get it? He put up from that direction of transit, you know? Walking like a real professional pedestrian. You know? And guess what? He was rocking Crocs, guys. My reaction was like, what are those? girl told him, what's up, you know? And guess what? This nigga had just 1K on him. So the two of them had a combined net worth of... Yeah? But I'm a good person, guys. You know me, yeah? I decided to sympathize with the guy, you know, because I saw myself in him. In 2020, I was in his shoes. Oh, sorry, his Crocs. Yeah. So I put him aside, far away from the lady, yeah? I'm like, yo, bro. Yeah. Man to man. Yeah, I was like, I'm not gonna go hard on you, you know? You can just forget the whole thing. I'm gonna let you go. Then I put my hand in the pocket and I was like, have this. I handed in my pocket of condoms, guys. And I was like, remember, if she tells you to slow down, don't. Continue accelerating like. I was like, bro, what are you talking about? That's my sister. I was like, oops, in that case, give me back that packet. And give me that 1K. Then I went over to the sister and I was like, give me that 2.5. Then I went off. And then on the way, I remember they still owed me 1.5. So I went back after them, guys. I got up with them. I turned to the guy, I was like, give me those. I took the Crocs, guys. I hate nonsense. So guys, if you see me sooner or later, rocking Crocs, just know someone somewhere in Hong Kong is walking barefoot